Question 11. A sequence of patterns is made from circular tiles and square tiles. Here are the first three patterns in the sequence. Pattern 1, 2 and 3. Part A. How many square tiles are needed to make pattern number 6? So don't rush these questions. What I have done, in pattern number 1 you clearly need 1 square, so I put a 1 in there. In pattern number 2 obviously that is 4 squares, and in pattern number 3 I have put 9. So the pattern looks like, if you want to know the number of squares, you multiply the pattern number by itself. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9. They are square numbers. So to get pattern number 6, I do 6 multiplied by 6, which is 36. Part B. How many circular tiles are needed to make pattern number 20? In this case I've decided to do a little table. For pattern number 1 there are 4 circles, as you can see. For pattern number 2 there are 8 circles, and for pattern number 3 there are 12 circles. So it looks like if I want to know how many circles there are, I need to multiply the pattern number by 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. So 20 times 4 gives me 80. Derek says when the pattern number is odd, an odd number of square tiles is needed to make the pattern. Is Derek right? You must give a reason. So when the pattern number is odd, you need an odd number of square tiles. Now the two pictures I've got here are correct. Pattern number 1 is odd, gives you 1 square, and 3 is odd, gives you 9. But we have to talk about a general case. So the number of square tiles is worked out by multiplying the pattern number by itself. So an odd number multiplied by itself is always odd, so Derek is right. For example, 3 times 3 will be 9, 5 times 5 will be 25, 7 times 7 is 49. You always get an odd number when you multiply an odd number by itself. That is why Derek is right.